Lord. Bazalwane, ngifuna ubone uJobe ekhuluma a false statement about God. Uthi uJobe, the Lord gave and the Lord has taken away. This is a false theology about God. God does not take and give, but God only gives. But yizu uJobe uthini? Uthi uJobe, the Lord gave and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Ngamanye amagama uthi uJobe uNkulunkulu uphile, uNkulunkulu uthathile. Alibongwe igama likaNkulunkulu. Asikwazi ukubonga uNkulunkulu ngoba ethathile bantwana benkosi. We thank God in everything, but we do not thank God for everything. Sibonga uNkulunkulu kukho konke, kodwa asibonga uNkulunkulu ngakho konke. Ngicela ukuyiphinda lento. We thank God in everything. We do not thank God for everything. We bless the name of the Lord in everything, but we do not bless the name of the Lord for everything. So God is not a taker and a giver. God is only a giver. uNkulunkulu akanayo dual character. uNkulunkulu has a single character. That is why uJobe wakhuluma lento, because there was no knowledge of God. uKristu Jesu wayengakaveli, so there was no accurate revelation. People, they were doing a guesswork about who God is. Ake sibuke kahle kahle ubani bantwana benkosi owathatha izinto ezikaJobe. Ngoba manje ngithole icomment lana ku social media from omunye ubrother abambiza ngomuzi. My brother, you must ngicela ulalele le episode, because now